People in Kashmir are really good. They are so nice with us, mostly with women.
Harus datang ke Kashmir karena indah banget. It's very beautiful. You have to come to Kashmir.
Ayo kita ke Kashmir. Mari ke Kashmir.
My name is Susana Lubis.
Okay, where from you are?
I'm from Indonesia. We are come from some from Jakarta, some come from Sumatra. I really like Kashmir. First, the weather is really good. When we take in breath, we are so happy here because it's so clear, and then the view also good. Today we have good sunset in the lake. It's really beautiful. Actually, we are 16 people, and then actually also another people will join also next month. So we will planning to come every month in Kashmir for winter. We will stay around 5 days here in Kashmir. We're planning going to Gulmarg, Sonmarg, and Pahalgam and Sintantal. People in Kashmir are really good. They are so nice with us, mostly with women. We are so happy for that. They respect us too much.
Selamat datang.
Thank you.
Terima kasih.
Thank you.
My name is Maudi. I'm just vacation with all my friends. This is the best of winter in Asia. So I decided to go Kashmir with my friends, Sister Susan, and exactly I feel happy. And you like this view? I feel in Europe, but in Asia, and udara so clean, and I feel almost so long here. Ayo kita ke Kashmir. Mari ke Kashmir, khususnya Muslim karena Assalamualaikum.
Daisy,
Where from you are?
Indonesia. West Java.
Oh, West Java.
West Java. Yes.
Okay. What is your profession and what you are doing there?
I'm working. I'm living my daily activity there.
Okay. Tell me about the experience that you visit India.
It's very grateful experience. This is my first time, but the winter is cold, but beautiful, very beautiful in here, like Europe. Harus datang ke Kashmir karena indah banget. It's very beautiful. You have to come to Kashmir.